The most powerful wolf is the lone wolf, the rejected one. I am not a wolf in sheep's clothing. I am a wolf in wolf's clothing. The hardest walk is walking alone, but it also makes you the strongest. Stay true to yourself. Stay true to your goals. Stay true to your success. The strongest of souls are seared with pain and scars. Loneliness taught me real life. Pain makes me stronger. Loneliness is not my weakness, it's my strength. Now I can control my emotions and greatest feelings. When you believe in you, no mountain is too tall. When you believe in you, no problem is too big. When you believe in you, the can't is replaced with can. When you believe in you, there is nothing you can't achieve. I am proud of who I am, who I have become. I am proud I stayed true to myself, to my life, and to my future. Don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same as everyone else. When I cry alone, it's like a rainfall filled with sadness. I am a wolf. I walk alone like a mastery, which nobody knows. My eyes are dark clouds filled with pain. When you believe in you, no mountain is too tall. When you believe in you, no problem is too big. When you believe in you, the can't is replaced with can. When you believe in you, there is nothing you can't achieve. Rationality inspires you. Rational motivations. Be rational, be fearless, and be bold.